Micro Minnie. I think Traveling Robbers had a Micro Minnie. I'm not sure. It's nice. Beautiful. Nice, look at that. They don't have solid steps, which is fine. Depends on your preference. Has a ladder, spare tire in the back. There's some type of stabilizers. Oh, they're all pneumatic too. Good. This is a 1800 Minnie Light BH. There's no lights, but looks like mine a little bit. There's no slide. They do have an extension here, which is nice. I like that when they put that there. They actually have a little bit of an extension. I mean, countertop. That dinette looks. Here, let me do 1.6 there. Looks nice. Looks like it's long, like 6 foot long. And then they have like a full-size bed over here. With a privacy curtain. It's not bad. And their cabinet doors stay up, which is nice. Not bad. Ooh, look at their air conditioning. It's flat. If you're tall, you won't be able to come in here. So I'm 6 foot. Probably 6'1" with my shoes. It's only about that much, which is about 3 inches. So if you're tall, this won't be good for you. You got the refrigerator. I got 2 burner, which is fine. Ooh, they have a big sink. Ooh. That's really nice. I like that. Then you have, I don't like the little dinky fan. I wish there was a max fan, but 2 bunks. That looks like a door over there, I'm not sure. They have this lock, I don't know how to open it. Oh, there you go. The refrigerator is pretty big. There's not a lot of room in here. It is, if you're short, it's perfect. Ooh, they don't have a sink. I hate that. Oh yeah. Their sink is right there. Dinky fan again. Just a mirror, not sure why I didn't put a medicine. There's no place to put anything. No, not for me. There's no closet in there for linens and all that good stuff. So all you have is this right here. Well, they do have a pantry. My bad. So they do have a pantry. I like that. So if you don't have too many kids, you can use one as all your linen and stuff. But still, I don't like that. But it's a nice one. I like it. Door don't shut. It looks like there's a new design. Let me see. Oh, that is a beautiful pass-through. Plus, you can get to it underneath the bed, I think. Look at that pass-through. That's awesome. It's the biggest one on a small trail like that. And they do have a door that leads to the, it's locked right now. So you could use that bottom bunk as a storage area. I have to say I like it, but I don't think there's enough linen storage in there. But if you like it, you can make it work. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.